Did you know a simple packet of oral rehydration solution, which we often refer as ORS, saves millions of lives every year? But here's something that you really need to know. If you prepare it the wrong way, it may actually harm more than it does good. Today, let's uncover what's inside ORS, how it actually works in our body, and the critical mistakes we often make while preparing it. Hi, I'm your pharmacist next door, and I help you live the best of your life, helping you make informed health choices. So what's inside this little packet? ORS contains the balanced mix of salt and sugar. Sugar called glucose and the salt containing electrolytes like sodium, potassium, chloride, and citrate. Sounds complicated, right? Simply put, these ingredients are carefully measured to match what our body loses during diarrhea, vomiting, or even heavy sweating, while also supplying the water lost by the body. Imagine our intestine as a busy highway with tiny channels. When you drink ORS, glucose and sodium that are suspended in the water use these channels like a VIP pass, and water follows right behind them. That's how the body quickly pulls water and electrolytes into your bloodstream, sending hydration to every cell and tissue. It's simple but brilliant. That's why ORS is called one of the greatest medical innovations of the 20th century. Now, here's the tricky part. ORS works properly when it's mixed with the right amount of the water. Because the ingredients present in this small packet, that's salt and water, have been measured very carefully to balance what our body needs to dehydrate safely. Most of us, we open a packet, add a little ORS in a rough amount of the water, consume, and save the rest for the later. But this is risky. Why? Because there is a high chance that your solution could either be too concentrated or too dilute. When you are dehydrated and if your solution is too dilute, you won't have enough electrolytes. The rehydration becomes weak and less effective. If the solution is too concentrated otherwise, the high salt sugar mix can actually pull out water of your body into your intestine, resulting osmotic diarrhea. This not only worsens existing diarrhea, but also strips your body of more water than sodium. When that happens, sodium builds up in the blood, leading to a dangerous condition called hypernatremia, which can affect the brain and other vital organs. So the golden rule is always read the label and mix the full packet of ORS with the exact amount of the water mentioned, usually 1 liter. Don't guess, don't set the leftovers. The correct ratio of ORS is what makes it safe and life-saving. Hey, wait! Consume this solution within 24 hours. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need this life-saving information. And if you have any additional question about ORS, drop in the comment section below. I would love to answer them for you. And finally, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more science-backed complex health tips made simple.